Hello friends, today we are going to make kite for decoration. Okay, this is not for flying, it is just for decoration. You can make it. So I need 3 origami square papers. Okay, now decide which one you want to make a design and which one will go down. And according to that we are going to make. So first see that the square is equal or little bit bigger, it's okay. See, can you see I am leaving the border, so I will use this for the decoration. This will for the triangle, small triangle, or any color you can take it for this. Now just fold in a triangle. Okay, one more time. See, this paper is little bit very thin, not very thick. Okay, because we have to fold and then cut, so I need very thin paper. Now see, you can fold one more time, but I think you will get difficult while cutting, so I'm just using this simple one. Now first thing, take a pencil. See, this is the joint and this is the joint. Okay, now leaving this portion up. Okay, from this point, see, if we fold it, see, here till here you can go, but here you cannot go. So what you are going to do, first draw the design. I will show you in close up. On the joint, whichever shape you want, you can take a basic shape also. I'm just going to take very easy one, not too difficult for you also. Just triangle, circle, diamond. Now here also same way, any design you can take it. I'm going till the end. Okay, in the center also you can make. See, while you fold it, I'm just going to take triangle because it's very hard to cut, so easy to cut triangles. First we will cut this. See now, triangle and circle is very difficult to cut. If you have practice, then only you can cut it. See, now I had fold this to just get the center design, and here I'm going to cut very simple design, triangles, because it's very hard to cut. So no curve lines design, otherwise you will find very difficult to cut. Use any design. Now see, keep on this how it's looking, or you can keep on this. If you want, you can keep on dark green color also. See, so whichever color you like, okay, whichever color you like, you can keep on that. So chalo, now take a back side of the paper, whichever you are using. Now when you are placing it, be very careful about the shape. See that, arrange very nicely first and then press it. When you get the judgment that it is equally border is coming, then only you are going to press it. Understood? Now for the down portion, just a piece of triangle we are going to cut. See, I had cut the triangle, just going to place here. See, this way it will look. See, I had cut in a different color combination also. You can do the same way. So this way you can decorate your Makar Sankranti. I hope that you will love and you will try to do the craft very nicely and click the photo and send to me. Till then, take care, bye, and happy Makar Sankranti.